NiceHash mining honest review. Watch before using. Most people think crypto mining is complicated, but you won't believe what happens next when you see how simple NiceHash makes it. NiceHash is a cryptocurrency mining platform that allows users to rent out their computer's processing power and get paid in Bitcoin. Instead of mining one specific coin, you contribute power to a global marketplace. The surprising truth is that NiceHash handles most of the technical complexity automatically. You install the software, choose a wallet, and the system selects the most profitable algorithm in real time. Most people get this wrong. They assume mining is always profitable. In reality, profits depend on electricity costs, hardware, and market prices. NiceHash is best for beginners who want to try mining without deep technical setup. The surprising truth is that easy mining still carries real costs. Subscribe for more honest crypto platform reviews that protect your wallet.